Quick question. Have you ever watched a movie in English
Or listen to someone speaking?
and suddenly thought, wait, I know these words?
So why don't I understand everything?
If that happens to you,
You are not alone.
because sometimes the problem is not grammar,
Not pronunciation.
not even confidence.
Sometimes
You simply don't know the small words,
tiny words.
words people use every day,
Words you hear in movies,
at school,
at work.
and almost everywhere.
And today,
We are learning them through a real conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Always Learn with English.
your cozy place for learning English through real conversations.
I'm happy you're here today.
Me too.
And today is going to be interesting.
Because we are not learning difficult grammar.
Nope.
We are learning simple everyday words.
The kind native speakers use all the time.
And stay with us because one of these little words completely changed a conversation for me yesterday. And honestly, it created a very awkward moment.
Wait, now I want to know that story too. So, Leo, how was your morning today?
Honestly, I actually had a strange morning. Everyone, first word.
Actually.
We use actually when we say the real truth or real situation.
Example.
I actually had a strange morning.
Nice and simple. Strange morning?
Yes.
What happened?
I woke up and looked outside. And I thought, wow, today looks beautiful.
Sounds nice.
Then 2 minutes later,
Oh no.
rain. Heavy rain.
That changed quickly.
I was really surprised.
Next word.
Really.
We use really when something is very strong or surprising.
Example.
I was really surprised.
Then I looked at the clock. And I realized.
I had just woken up. Nice.
Just means a short time ago.
Example. I just woke up.
Very common. Native speakers use this all the time.
So what happened after that?
I thought, maybe.
Oh.
Maybe I should stay in bed today. Everyone, maybe means possible, but not certain.
Example.
Maybe we can eat pizza tonight.
I support this example. Honestly, these words look small.
Very small.
But real life reason, everyone.
Beginners often learn difficult words first.
Big vocabulary lists.
Long grammar rules.
But then real conversations feel difficult.
Because people use small words every day.
Tiny words.
Big difference.
Wait. Wait, you said one word caused an awkward moment yesterday.
Yes.
What happened?
Well, I said something to someone.
And?
Then, suddenly, the room became very quiet.
Wait.
And I immediately knew.
Knew what?
I used the wrong word.
Wait. You used the wrong word?
Yes.
And then the room became quiet?
Very quiet.
Oh no.
The type of quiet where your brain suddenly says,
You made a mistake.
exactly.
All right, now I need the full story.
Well, anyway.
New word, everyone.
Anyway.
We use anyway when we change the topic or return to something.
Example?
Anyway, how was your weekend?
Nice.
Are you sure you want to tell everyone this story? Another word.
Sure.
It means certain.
Example?
Are you sure about this?
Honestly? Not really. But you're right.
Another one. Right means correct.
Example?
You are right, and that's exactly what happened.
Nice.
Exactly means completely correct.
Example?
That's exactly what I meant.
You know what? It will probably happen again. Probably means very likely.
Example, it will probably rain tomorrow.
Or, Leo will probably lose his keys again. Okay, rude.
but I will definitely remember this story forever.
Ah.
Definitely means without doubt.
Example?
I will definitely be there.
And I am absolutely embarrassed.
Absolutely means completely.
Example?
You are absolutely correct.
Wait. Are you seriously not going to tell us?
Seriously means not joking.
Example?
Are you seriously leaving now? Okay. Finally.
Honestly?
Ah,
Another one.
honestly means telling the truth.
Example?
Honestly, I don't know. Basically?
Meaning explain simply.
Exactly.
Example?
Basically, we need more time. So basically, what happened?
I met someone yesterday, and I wanted to say,
Okay,
nice to meet you again.
sounds normal.
But my brain stopped working.
Oh no.
And I accidentally said,
Hmm?
nice to marry you again.
What? No.
Yes.
Tell me this did not happen.
Real life reason, everyone.
Beginners panic sometimes.
Native speakers panic too.
Your brain moves fast.
Words become mixed.
It happens.
Small mistakes are normal.
Wait, what happened after you said that?
Well,
Did they laugh?
actually,
Hmm?
something much more unexpected happened.
Wait. Something more unexpected happened?
Yes.
More unexpected than saying, nice to marry you again?
Somehow, yes.
Okay, now I'm nervous.
The strange thing is, that person didn't look confused.
Really?
Nope.
That doesn't make sense.
Exactly. Actually, he looks happy.
Wait.
And then I started to wonder something.
Ah, new word, everyone.
Wonder.
We use wonder when we are curious.
Example?
I wonder what the weather will be like.
And I wondered,
Hmm?
why is he smiling so much?
Honestly? This story does not seem normal.
Nice word.
Seem means giving an impression.
Example?
You seem happy today.
Exactly.
And right now, you seem suspicious.
Also, everyone, if you are watching this video right now,
We want to know something.
tell us where you're watching from.
Or simply write, I'm here in the comments.
I really want to see who is learning with us today.
Maybe you're watching while eating,
On a bus.
before sleeping.
Or during study time.
All right, let's go back to our topic. So, what happened next?
Suddenly, I started to feel nervous.
Ah,
Feel means experiencing emotion or sensation.
example?
I feel a little cold.
Real life reason, everyone.
Beginners often know grammar
But sometimes feelings disappear in English.
because they don't know simple emotion words.
Words like feel, worry, care.
Tiny words again.
So then?
He looked at me, and suddenly I realized something.
Ah.
Realize means suddenly understanding.
Example. I realized I made a mistake.
Oh no, huge mistake.
What happened?
I was talking to the wrong person.
What? No.
Yes.
You didn't recognize him?
Listen. He looked similar.
Similar.
Same jacket, same glasses, same hairstyle.
Leo.
Don't judge me.
Honestly, I guess many people have done something similar.
Ah, nice word.
Guess means giving an answer without being sure.
Example.
Can you guess what is inside the box?
And I guess my brain was sleeping. Then I had to decide what to do.
Nice.
Decide means making a choice.
Example.
I need to decide what to wear.
So what did you decide?
I decided to apologize.
Good idea.
But then
Wait,
something happened again.
again?
And honestly, this time it became even more embarrassing.
Wait. It became more embarrassing?
Much more.
Leo, your life sounds like a comedy show. So what happened?
Well, after I realized I was talking to the wrong person, I tried to handle the situation.
Ah, new word, everyone. Handle. Handle means to manage a situation.
Example,
Don't worry, I can handle it.
which sounded great in my head,
Uh-oh.
but reality had different plans.
Go on.
I tried to explain everything. I said sorry,
Good.
then I tried to deal with the awkward moment.
Nice.
Deal means taking action about a problem.
Example, we will deal with that tomorrow. Okay.
Then suddenly,
Why do I feel nervous?
because something weird happened.
Weird?
New word.
Weird means very strange.
Example,
That is a weird story.
and trust me, this story is becoming very weird.
What happened?
The person suddenly started laughing. Then he said, Don't worry. Last week I called my teacher, Mom. I know.
No.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Another word.
Amazing means causing surprise.
Example,
The view was amazing.
and honestly, that moment changed everything.
Real-life reason, everyone.
Many English learners worry too much.
They think mistakes will ruin everything. Ruin means completely damage something.
Example,
Rain will ruin my shoes.
but small mistakes don't ruin conversations.
Exactly.
Mistakes make stories.
And sometimes funny memories too.
Also remember,
Learning English doesn't need to be complicated.
nice word.
Complicated means difficult with many parts.
Example,
Building a computer is complicated.
English becomes easier when you learn naturally,
Through stories.
through conversations.
Through real life. Pause. Quick recap. All right, everyone.
Let's quickly remember what we learned today.
Today we learned everyday words like
Handle, deal, weird, amazing, worry, ruin, improve, change, share, borrow, save, decide, guess, and many more.
But notice something important.
These are not just vocabulary words.
These are words people use every day.
In school,
At work.
with friends,
And in real conversations.
real life reason,
Beginners often memorize long lists.
then forget them later.
But stories help memory.
Emotions help memory too.
That's why today we learned through conversation. Pause. Thank you for spending your time with us today on English Speaking Way.
And seriously, if you stayed until the end,
You are awesome.
you practiced for a long time today.
And that matters.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
which word was completely new for you today?
And which word will you use today?
We really read your comments.
Also, if you enjoyed this podcast,
Check out our other podcast episodes too.
more stories,
More English.
more speaking practice.
Until next time,
Keep practicing
keep improving.
and keep speaking English. Bye, everyone.